How to export your notes to a PDF. So go ahead and open up your Obsidian. I mean, how to export Obsidian, but whatever. Go ahead and open up your Obsidian. Go ahead to whatever note you want and just go here. You're going to find this triple dot button on the top right, more options. Scroll down and find export to PDF. Just go ahead and press on that. You can toggle this, include file name as title. Let's say your note is named EA. It's gonna be EA as well as the file name. The page size, you can choose from whatever options you get, A3 to tabloid, and if it is landscape or not. Then the margin, you can put it on default, minimal, or none. You can choose whatever. And finally, you have downscale percent. This is pretty much just the entire quality of the notes. If you want them to be scaled down, of course you could, but the best quality should be stuck at there. Then just go ahead and press on export to PDF, choose whatever file you want, and just press on save. Then that's pretty much it. Your note will be saved as and exported as a PDF. Hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.